Okay, so this is an example of the Peltier and the thermoelectric effect. This is the fan that we're using. Essentially what it is there is in between here, this little white piece is the actual Peltier. Coming up from here, you actually have the negative and the positive. So you have your black and your red wire. This is actually a plate, not at all unlike a heat sink. Both sides are with aluminum, so it is conductive of heat, but it is not. It's not a superior conductor such as copper or silver, but it is a conductor nevertheless. It's basically sandwiched in between this, and this is just a fan with an on and off switch I bought from a vendor online. So the basic idea is that you have a hot side and you have a cold side. Whenever you put something on the cold side, the fan will then spin because you're generating power, generating electricity. Put something on the hot side that's also hot and relative to the cold side, the same thing happens. So basically it's a temperature difference that causes it. So what I have here is I have two little cups that came with this. I'll be putting some warm water in here, some cool water in here, and this will be for basically just a very quick, easy example. I'm just going to put this in the microwave because that is fast. Anyway, the other part of this is I will take this and just using normal tap water here, since that's quite quite lazy. I can use some salt over here to lower the temperature, which I was playing with earlier, but I'm not going to do that for this. Now the extremes here on the temperature may not be enough to make the fan move immediately, so I hope you can appreciate that. And it's actually quite easy to get this fan to move, aside from the cold. Something to keep in mind is, since this is not a superior conductor, it takes a while for these to actually get to the Peltier and cause it to have its effect. So let's see what's going on here. Water looks like it's starting to boil a little bit. I like it just a little bit more than that, but nevertheless, something else I was toying with here as well is just taking the compressed can here, and even though it tells you not to do this, I don't really care about that. You flip it upside down. You can super cold this thing. You can also flip it upside down this way, and I don't really want you to do that, but anyway, it says on the back of the can not to do that. But it comes out rather cold. Alright. Change some hands here because I am right-handed. And we'll see what happens. Warm water in. And there she goes. So basically, if you were to touch this right now, this side would be getting a little bit warmer, and this side would definitely be getting a lot warmer. It, in fact, already is a little bit warmer. I don't have a infrared gauge or anything, but can actually kind of increase the effect there a little bit. What's interesting about this is it works off of the heat and the cold. So if I take this out, It actually keeps going for a couple of minutes until such time that the actual heat wears off. So that is basically the idea here.